Hey guys, Sak here from SAKITECH, and in today's video I want to talk about some of the amazing leaks that have been dropped one after the other, including a hands-on video of the actual Galaxy S20 Plus from Max on Twitter. So in one of his latest leaks, he provided us with the Galaxy S20 Plus hands-on video, which is playing in the background, showcasing this smartphone from every angle. In the front, of course, we have that gorgeous 6.7-inch screen. Remember, this is the medium-sized S20 Plus, not even the larger S20 Ultra. Yet, in this side-by-side photo with the S10 Plus from last year, the S20 Plus shows just how much more screen real estate there is to enjoy, which most people gravitate towards. Also, the side bezels of the S20 Plus from this video show a similar design as the Note 10. You have no buttons on one side, but a volume rocker and a side key on the other. On the rear, we have a rectangular camera housing that holds together the 4-camera system. A 12-megapixel improved primary sensor, a second 12-megapixel sensor, and a third 48 or 64-megapixel camera. And finally, a time-of-flight camera for depth sensing for bokeh and background blur in photo and video. Now, Max also provided a list of specs for the Galaxy S20 Plus, which are quite satisfying, although with some caveats. Like we said, is 6.7-inch with a maximum resolution of 3200 by 1440, just like the Note 10 Plus, and you do get a 120 Hz refresh rate, although to get the 120 Hz refresh rate, you will need to scale down the resolution to full high definition plus, which is 2280 by 1080. Then you can enjoy 120 Hz, and if you switch to maximum WQHD plus resolution, you get to use the regular 60 Hz refresh rate. Now, the reason for this could be to save battery life, since 120 Hz plus maximum resolution might be a battery drainer. Not sure yet, but that's what I'm thinking. Moving on, we have a minimum 128GB storage, which will be the fast UFS 3.0 storage, just like the Note 10 Plus. If you need more storage, you can go for the 512GB version. And yes, you do have a microSD card on the S20 Plus, so that's great for additional storage if required. Now, the battery capacity is 4500 milliamp hours with 25-watt fast charging option. We do have an improved under-the-display ultrasonic sensor, which is going to be the primary biometrics option. And finally, we have either a Snapdragon 865 processor or an Exynos 9090 based on the market, and 12 gigabytes of RAM. Amazing setup. So that's some of the latest information we have on the S20 Plus. Even though based on a recent survey I ran, most people will be getting the S20 Ultra. Out of 12,000 votes, we are looking at 73% opting to buy the S20 Ultra, not the S20 Plus. S20 Ultra will have a larger screen, a better primary camera, and a slightly larger battery, as well as 45-watt super fast charging. Anyway, that's some of the latest information. Drop your comments, questions, and concerns down below, and let me know what you think about the 120 Hz option not available on the highest resolution. Alright, so for now guys, have a fantastic day. I will see you in the next video. Alright, so if you found this video useful, make sure to subscribe to SAKITECH by clicking that button, and also click that bell icon on the side to make sure you get notified every time I upload a new video. And if you do use Twitter, Instagram, or Facebook, you can follow me at SAKITECH Online to get the latest updates as well. Alright, have a fantastic day.